Hello, this is Shén from Mandalingo Chinese School. 你好，我是满格汉语的倩云老师。Today we are going to learn body parts. The title of the lesson is 里面有什么? What's inside? Are you ready? The first word is hand. 手. Shǒu. Does it look like your fingers and arms? Foot or feet is jiǎo. When you see the radical that looks like moon, 月, it means flesh. It has something to do with your body parts. Now this one, leg, 腿. 腿 is the general word for the whole leg. If you want to say thigh, you say 大腿, literally big leg. If you want to say lower leg, you say 小腿, literally small leg. 腿. Nose is 鼻子. 鼻子. Doesn't it look like an elephant nose? Ear. 耳朵. 耳朵. 耳 means ear. 朵 literally means petal. It looks like a petal of a flower. Eyes. 眼睛. 眼睛. It has the eye radical. 目. They look like eyes, don't they? Mouth. 嘴巴. 嘴巴. It's not lips, just the whole mouth. 嘴巴. Or sometimes we say 嘴 instead. In Chinese, there's no plural form for nouns. When you want to say how many things there are, you use number plus measure word plus noun. For example, 手 means hands. To say two hands, you say 两只手. 两 is the special way to say two before a measure word. 只 is the measure word. Then you add the noun 手. So two hands means 两只手. Now you try it. Excellent. Now the same for foot, 脚. 2 feet is 两只脚. 两只脚. You try it. Great. Now let's look at legs. 腿. 腿 means leg. To say two legs, we say 两条腿. The measure word here is 条, which is used for long and thin stuff. So two legs in Mandarin, 两条腿. You have a go. Wonderful. Now let's look at nose, 鼻子. The measure word for nose is 个. Since we have one nose, we say 一个鼻子. 一个鼻子. It's simple, isn't it? Now let's look at the ear. 耳朵 means ear. We can say one ear, 一只耳朵. So what's the measure word for ear? Yes, 只. And now, can you work out how to say 2 ears in Mandarin? Excellent. It's 两只耳朵. Now let's have a try with eyes. How do you say 2 eyes in Mandarin? So 眼睛 is eyes. 2 eyes will be 两只眼睛. 两只眼睛. 2 eyes. Did you get it right? I hope so. Now, 嘴巴 means mouth. There is a specific measure word for mouth, which is zhāng. So you can say 一张嘴巴. However, you can also say 一个嘴巴, and that is also acceptable. Let's try one more time. 一张嘴巴. Well done. The sentence for this lesson is what's inside? 里面有什么? Literally, 里面 means inside. 有 means have or there is. And 什么 means what. So we're saying inside has what? When you practice at home after the lesson, you can try saying 里面有什么? You can add all the things you have learned so far. For example, 里面有一个苹果. There's an apple inside. Of course, you can be more creative. You can try to say, 里面有一只手. There's a hand inside. Ouch, that sounds scary. But practice makes it perfect. So try your best to create as many sentences as you can. Finally, we're going to learn the simple character, 入, which means enter. It has only 2 strokes. Do you know which one we write first? Yes, the left one. 一, 二. When writing Chinese characters, we usually follow the order left to right, top to bottom. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you next time. 谢谢，再见。